Welcome back to RV Deep Dive. Today, we're taking a close look at a modern camper van conversion from Hobby Campers, built on the Volkswagen Crafter platform. This one is based on the medium-length Crafter, measuring right around 6 meters, though a longer wheelbase version is also available. This particular van was owner-supplied, but when pricing is discussed, it's based on ordering a brand new vehicle directly from Hobby Campers, fully built to spec. So while this example may not be factory fresh, the configuration, layout, and cost reflect what you'd expect from a new build. Right away, the exterior styling stands out. The wheels, running boards, and spoiler give it a confident, almost stealthy look. Up top, there's a Habitat air conditioning unit along with a roof skylight in a solar panel. Because of the air conditioning unit and skylight placement, the solar panel is shorter than usual, but it still plays an important role in keeping the electrical system topped up. At the rear, there's a stylish exhaust system that adds to the premium feel. But the real story starts once we open the back doors. Inside the rear cargo area, you'll find the bed platform above and a generous storage space underneath. Tie-down points are installed throughout, and they're adjustable, allowing you to secure bikes, gear, or other equipment exactly where you want them. These mounts slide into position and lock your cargo firmly in place, making this van genuinely practical for adventure travel. What really sets this camper apart is the electrical system. Typically, camper vans run a leisure battery around 100 amp hours. This one is in a completely different league, featuring a massive 628 amp hour battery setup. That kind of capacity gives you serious off-grid capability, allowing extended stays without relying on campsite hookups. Power is replenished in multiple ways. While driving, the alternator charges the system, and when parked, the roof-mounted solar panel continues feeding power into the batteries. All switching is handled through a solid-state system, and much of the equipment here comes from Victron, known for reliable, high-end electrical components. There's also a powerful 2400-watt inverter, which means everything inside this van runs on electricity. There's no gas system at all. Cooking, appliances, and onboard systems are fully electric, which simplifies usage and enhances safety. Above the cargo area, you'll notice a ceiling-mounted air conditioning unit and a ladder system. Both of these make more sense once we move inside. Walking around the exterior, the van continues to impress. The black VW badging blends beautifully with the dark paintwork, giving it a clean, understated look. An awning is fitted on the side, and near the rear, there's a combined water filler and outdoor shower connection. Flip it around, and you can rinse off bikes, gear, or even yourself after a day outdoors. Now, let's step inside. Up front, this van is equipped with a manual gearbox, though automatic is available depending on how you spec it. The seats swivel, instantly transforming the driving area into part of the living space. Being a Volkswagen, the dashboard is familiar, well laid out, and packed with multifunction steering wheel controls and modern infotainment features. Just behind the cab, there's a neatly stored table system. The tabletop and leg clip securely into place when not in use and can be set up easily when you're parked. Above, the roof skylight floods the interior with natural light. Integrated blinds include both night shading and insect screens, making the space comfortable at any time of day. Ambient lighting runs throughout the van, including beneath the cabinetry, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The kitchen area is compact but extremely well thought out. The fridge is particularly clever, opening both from inside the van and from outside, perfect for grabbing a drink without stepping indoors. Since this is a fully electric setup, the hob is electric as well, paired with a solid, premium worktop that feels durable and substantial. USB ports, power sockets, and storage compartments are tucked into every available space. Everything feels intentional, with no wasted areas. One of the highlights inside is the central control system. From this touchscreen, you can manage water pumps, drain valves, lighting levels, climate control, battery status, solar input, and more. You can dim the lighting precisely, control the exterior awning light and even manage heating and air conditioning from one interface. The climate system allows you to set a target temperature, just like in a car or home. You can choose whether the heating runs on diesel or electric, depending on whether you're plugged into mains power or camping off-grid. Water heating is managed the same way, giving you full control over energy usage. The electrical screen also shows live data, including solar input, battery charge levels, and voltage for both the leisure and starter batteries. A built-in router allows remote access, meaning you can monitor and control systems from your phone, even when you're away from the vehicle. Moving to the rear sleeping area, the bed stretches across the width of the van and offers a very generous sleeping surface. The ladder we saw earlier slides neatly into place, providing easy access. There's also a pass-through door beneath the bed, allowing you to load long items like kayaks or surfboards straight through the van without opening the rear doors. Overhead storage runs along both sides, finished with soft-touch materials that give the interior a premium, comfortable feel. Integrated lighting continues throughout, keeping the space bright without being harsh. The bathroom compartment is compact but versatile. This van uses a removable chemical toilet, which clips securely into place when needed. When it's removed, the space transforms into a much larger shower area. There's no sink in this configuration, which maximizes room, but other layouts are available depending on how you choose to spec the van. For a camper van of this size, having a toilet and shower at all is a big plus. Many vans simply don't offer this feature, so this setup strikes a balance between space and practicality. Along the seating area, opening windows provide fresh air and are fitted with blinds and insect screens. Overhead cabinets continue along the length of the van, offering plenty of storage for longer trips. Down in the kitchen area, a slide-out pantry adds even more storage, along with soft closing drawers that latch securely while driving. Everything feels solid, well-built, and thoughtfully designed. Stepping back and taking in the full interior, the design really comes together. The soft beige tones inside give it a calm, luxurious feel, while the exterior remains bold and modern with its dark, understated styling. Overall, this is a camper van that blends serious off-grid capability with comfort, technology, and style. It's compact enough to be easy to drive, yet packed with features you'd normally expect in much larger motorhomes. That wraps up this deep dive. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, hit the like button, subscribe to RV Deep Dive, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next